Are you looking for the best black seed oils in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best black seed oils that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, High Potency Black Seed Oil by Purity Products. This black seed oil is prepared by extracting oil from Mediterranean Nigella sativa plants, and it is twice more substantial than ordinary black seed products. The brand uses cold press technology to extract more from the seeds, and the dose to be taken for availing the benefits is just 500 milligrams. This black seed oil contains a 3% concentration of thymoquinone, an active ingredient that supports heart health, maintains your lipid profile, and keeps blood pressure in control. For being rich in omega-6 and 9, this oil provides many other benefits to your body and improves skin texture, support male reproductive function. The antioxidants of the oil support your body's defense system and build a reliable immunity system, and thus is excellent for people suffering from regular cold and flu or even asthma. At number 4, NutraChamps Organic Black Seed Oil. This organic and extra virgin black seed oil is made from pure and organic black cumin seeds using cold pressing technology. This unfiltered and unrefined oil with no preservatives contains a 2% concentration of thymoquinone and is a best friend to your heart, skin, and hair. This premium oil provides many other health benefits to you as well. From cleansing toxin from your liver to giving adequate support to your heart and keeping your blood pressure and diabetes in check, the oil does it all. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of the oil works wonders for people with osteoarthritic and heals joint pain. Just have a spoonful daily, and you will be amazed to see your radiant skin and healthy hair. At number 3, Freshfield Black Seed Oil. This 100% pure, vegan and unrefined black seed oil is extracted from premium black cumin seed oil, Nigella sativa, to provide you the maximum benefits without any alteration. The powerful antioxidant of the oil works best as an immunity booster and protects your heart. The oil contains a 1.6% concentration of thymoquinone, which guarantees a healthier heart, lowers bad cholesterol, keeps blood pressure and blood sugar in control. The antioxidant in the oil acts better than any painkillers and reduces arthritis pain, back pain, etc. The oil is also beneficial in improving your skin conditions and boosting your immune system. So, if you want a glowing skin with lustrous hair, go for this oil. At number 2, Sweet Sunnah Black Seed Oil. Free from pesticides and other additives, this cold-pressed black seed oil is pure and contains 2.26% thymoquinone, loaded with multiple anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The oil is mild, made from high-quality raw black cumin seeds, and is free from artificial colors. It oil improves your immune system, thus taking care of your heart, blood sugar, and blood pressure level. As a rich source of omega-3, 6, 9, it is beneficial for your digestive system and promotes the healthy function of bones. The anti-inflammatory properties of the oil are excellent for your skin and hair growth as well. When used daily, it provides many nutritional benefits to all the vital organs of your body and improves your overall health. At number 1, SVA Organics Black Cumin Seed Oil. This USDA-certified black cumin seed oil is a 100% pure and organic therapeutic oil. It is a vegan oil, purely extracted from the Nigella sativa plant using cold pressing technology, and is entirely alcohol-free, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians. This oil is dark in color and has got a strong smell. Also known as kalanji oil, in the native language, this oil is loaded with omega-3, 6, 9 fatty acids. The daily use of this oil provides many nutritional benefits to your body. It adds volume to your dry, thin hair and makes them look lustrous. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties soothe skin rashes and itchiness and balance skin's pH to give you a glowing, youthful skin. The oil is equally great for your bones and can be used as a painkiller for your joint pain. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.